Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a clean with me. I did this a while back and you guys really seem to love it. So many of you were like, please do this again. So I'm doing this again. So I'm just gonna take you guys around cleaning with me. It is second semester in college. I live in my sorority house. I live in a dorm, have a roommate, you know, and I've been really sick. Literally have been sick since December and it's pretty much February now and I'm still sick. But I have not really been putting cleaning as a priority. I haven't done my laundry in a really long time. I'll show you guys like a little before. Okay, well this is because I showered and I just didn't feel like putting it away. But like we have, yeah. And then like that's my, yeah. And then my mattress topper always like falls off my bed. It's just an issue. The laundry is a really big issue. Oh, there's my shoes. Yeah, I haven't done laundry in a while. We are dedicating all of today and possibly tomorrow to cleaning this room. I also want to move some stuff around. I would love to move my bed, but this took me forever, so I'm not moving my bed. I would love to move this little dresser to right there. I had this little dresser here for a background for filming, and I've used it like once or twice, maybe 3 times, but like that's it in a whole semester. So I was like, what's the point? So I just feel like changing it up, having something new. Also, if you guys are not already following my Instagram, I traveled to Europe recently and I have a ton of cool photos there. You should really follow me. It would be really fun. So that is what we're doing today. I don't know what the first thing I want to do is. If I want to like move my stuff or if I want to do my laundry. Oh my gosh, so much laundry. I'm actually gonna use this and use it as a thumbnail because this is like actually ridiculous. So we have like a washing machine and a dryer on every floor in my house, and I checked the one on my floor before I did all this and it was empty, so I was like, great, fantastic. And then I go out there and someone's laundry's in there and I was like, really, I would not have done this first if this is what I knew was gonna happen. I have all of this, these are my colors, and then I have all of this. These are like my lights and things that I like need a dry cleaner like set aside or something. So now I don't know what to do with all these because normally I put all this in there when I empty it out. What do I do? Crisis averted, thank God there was one on another floor that was open. Normally that doesn't happen. That washing machine smells like fish though. I've never used it before and it smells like fish. Oh well. Back on to cleaning the rest of this up. Really bad habit of trying on clothes and then I'm like, oh, I don't want to wear them, and then I just throw them on the ground. So then they end up like in my dirty clothes pile, even though they're clean, but they're kind of touching dirty clothes, so they're like sort of dirty, but they're technically never been worn. So I just hung those up because I'm a gross ass bitch. I don't really care. They're clean. I don't feel like washing them. Here's the progress that I made. These are my light clothes. I have these, which I got them for like a sponsored video, if you guys remember that video, and I put them in my dirty clothes hamper because they were just laying on my floor and I need to find a home for them because they don't have a home. So they're currently on my bed. I would love to make my bed, but I feel like I should wash my sheets because I've been sick. All the washing machines are taken, so I can't do that right now. I should probably clean this up. I would also like to clean my towels. Wow, it's a lot of laundry. It's a big laundry day. I guess maybe what I could do, I feel like I want to move my furniture first before I like deep clean everything. Issue with that, kind of look like a weird animal right there. I have been getting this really bad pain like in my side, like right there in my rib, and it's caused by my lungs. I went to urgent care and they were kind of like, that sucks. And so yeah, they didn't really do much for me. So I don't know if like me moving furniture is the best when I've been having this like really intense sharp pain going on in my side, and especially when I move it gets a lot worse. So yeah, it's probably not the best idea, but I still want to do it. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I'm going to. I don't really care. Also, a ton of people have been asking me, they're like, do you know that's a world map and you have it sideways? Yeah, I know. It just won't fit horizontally. So I did what I did. I have to like clean everything up so I can move it all around. It's gonna be really painful. Oh, and CoverGirl, this is not sponsored or anything, they don't know I'm doing this, but they sent me their new, what is it, Clean Fresh line. How cute. Thanks, CoverGirl. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I have this on this little table so I could try it out, but I'm moving it. think that looks nice. I'm probably gonna move some of the bins around, and honestly, like, my roommate is the chillest person in the world and she's not gonna care that I did this, so it actually makes the room feel a lot bigger. I really want to move my desk like here, but I don't know if they'll fit with this because I thought it would, but now I'm like, oh, is that enough? And I'm not sure if I want my desk in the corner or right here. I guess we'll just go with it and see. I guess we'll well, maybe we'll, I don't know. This is literally me thinking out loud. I mean, it fits, like this does hang off over the side, but it's not that much. I just don't know if I like it there. What if I just have the desk there and maybe like move the fridge there or something like that? I actually need to go downstairs and check on my laundry to see how much longer I have because I was oh no, never mind. Oh good. I have a ton of makeup and stuff. So when I clean, normally what happens is I just like have piles of stuff everywhere. Also, this room has like the worst like vents or whatever because there's just dust bunnies everywhere, just everywhere. It's disgusting. In all honesty, I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed because I just have like a ton of stuff everywhere. Like I really want to vacuum. Dust bunnies are driving me insane. Everything like this was on this side, so everything that I want, like I need to switch. This is also like a mess, so I want to organize that, but like I need to move that there and like I need to do all that stuff. Also, same with those. I must admit, I'm not the proudest, especially of that like last drawer or like the middle, no, third drawer. Yeah, that is just kind of like so unorganized. I just don't have enough storage in here to store all my makeup. Literally, I just showed you all that stuff from CoverGirl that I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. I don't know what, yeah. So, I mean, I think the top drawer looks pretty organized, a lot better. Yeah, the rest of them are kind of a mess, but I live in a dorm, so what do you expect? The timing actually worked out perfectly. I was able to take my colored darks out of the dryer, put my whites into the dryer, and then put my sheets into the washing machine, and then the washing machine on my floor opened up, so I was able to put my towels in there. So everything is just washing and drying. I'm using a lot of electricity today, wow. But I'm just gonna fold and like put away all my colors. I decided to do my sheets. I'm gonna like put them on there. I don't know if that's gross, but I thought it'd be better to put my clean clothes on this rather than my dirty sheets that are like contaminated from me being sick. Thought that was a better option. I just got my whites out of the dryer. I put my sheets and my towels in the dryer, and then I organized my food cubby downstairs. I'm like panting because I just walked all the way upstairs. I'm kind of like out of breath. I was looking through my drawers to see if I wanted to like reorganize anything, and most of them that one's not a good example. Let's do something else. Most of them are just like pretty well organized, I would say. That's not cute, but like they're not bad. The only thing that's really bad is like my bra, underwear, and pajama drawer, just because I feel like I have so much stuff, it doesn't all fit in there. Here is the update. I didn't like fold my underwear because I was just like, I didn't feel like it, but I think that looks so much better than how it did. Looks very pretty. And then I actually put some more of like shorts into here because I had like a ton of like flowy shorts I wore to bed a lot, and I didn't know what to do with them because they were just like not fitting in there, so I put them in there. I really want to go ahead and like Clorox everything. I took a little bit of a break. I was feeling kind of like shaky. I hadn't eaten yet today, so I just took a break, ate some food. Feel better now. I finally got the duvet inside the duvet insert on camera. Or not, what? No, off camera. Everyone tells me to do this like folding thing. I've tried it a million times. It doesn't work for me, so whatever. Now I'm just gonna make my bed and then finish cleaning. I don't know if you guys can tell, but one of my like little hoops fell off of the command strip. Can't talk today. This one does it all the time, and it's really driving me insane, but I don't want to do it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for the rest of the semester. I just really don't care enough. Here's the bed made. I've never really loved my bed made, you know, like this doesn't match this. It just doesn't go, you know. Never been obsessed with it, if we're being honest here, but it is what it is. I feel really good about the level of clean that we have here. Like, I think it looks really good. The room just feels so much bigger ever since I moved this stuff. That wall is just really blank, but I'm like, whatever. I think it looks really good. I actually really want to light a candle. That has been like my new favorite thing. Also, I was planning on using this as a cute background, but it's not going to be as cute as I thought it would. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, that's fine. Like, whatever. Subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.